right, we'll go straight to item number 3, which is the confirmation of the minutes on the ordinary council meeting on the 30th of January 2020. Do we have any points of clarification on those minutes? Councillor Taylor.
Yeah, a couple of things on page 5 in relation to sale yards. It's got 14 Orangery Street. It should be Orangery Road. Orangery Street's in town.
Correct.
A minor point there. And on page 6, in relation to the adoption of the Code of Conduct, a member asked, that was me. It's not so much, as I recall, in relation to the item being softened. It was more to align it with what our statutory requirements are.
Okay. What item was that, sorry, Councillor?
5.10 or 5.10.
5.10, yeah.
And just a question in relation to the next point down. It says that Council adopts the Code of Conduct as amended and notes that all members are required to sign. I'm not sure whether it's a clarification of the minutes, but I'm not sure we can actually adopt something that we're still editing. That creates some conflict for us there. So the motion is, the resolution is that we adopt a Code of Conduct, yet we are still amending the words in that Code of Conduct.
Right.
So what exactly have we adopted, yeah?
Tina? Mrs. Jakes? Oh. Is that okay? Oh, two.
Certainly it's practice that we've done before where we've brought up a draft and members wanted to make some changes rather than go back and bring the item back. We've agreed to make the changes and then it's adopted.
Once it's made, once those changes are made, and normally they're fairly minor because we've had the draft for several days, I would suggest it just stops another layer upon a layer. Councillor Taylor, would be still the correct way of doing it as long as it's adopted at that particular meeting.
Look, I accept that. My point is that we've adopted something we haven't actually seen, which we are now bound by. You pedantic point, but we have adopted Code of Conduct. We've now had a challenge to a couple of points which we've edited, but we've already adopted it. But we haven't seen what we've adopted, is my point. And I just wonder whether that is an appropriate way to do business, that's all. Oh, I'm happy to leave it there.
Okay, cool. All right, sorry. Any other points of clarification of those minutes? Councillor Westman. Oh, no, you're right. Oh, sorry. You're grabbing the thing. Okay, could I have a mover for those minutes, please? Thank you. Moved by Councillor Guy, seconded by Councillor Rankin. All those in favour, please say aye. Against, carried.